continue interacting with us. Engage us on social media at KBC Channel 1 and also communicate with me directly at Safina_Cheng on Twitter and Safina Cheng on Facebook. We begin straight away with our top story. The BBI contest case will be heard by a 7-judge bench of the Court of Appeal. The court has consolidated all the appeals and the hearing will run from the 29th of this month. In a case management conference presided over by a 3-judge bench, the court directed how the hearing will be done in an open court to adhere to the COVID-19 rules. Sarafina Robi begins our bulletin.
Led by the President of the Appellate Court, Justice Daniel Musinga, Justices Anna Okwengo and Roslyn Nemboye presided over a case management conference to deliberate on appeals filed and give directions on the hearing. The court in the conference granted IEBC interim orders to proceed with its statutory and administrative duties out of the BBI process.
Limited to the extent that the applicant, that is the IEBC, shall continue to discharge its statutory and administrative functions, save for dealing with any of the contentious issues arising in the High Court judgment relating to the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill, which was the subject of the High Court judgment.
Given that all the other appellants, who include President Uhuru Kenyatta, former Prime Minister Raila Odinga, the Attorney General and the BBI Secretariat, had gone ahead and filed actual appeals, the court directed their previous applications to stay High Court orders withdrawn and the appeals to be heard on priority basis.
That in the interest of expeditious disposal of the appeals arising from the aforesaid judgment, all the above applications brought under Rule 52B of the court rules are hereby marked as withdrawn.
All the appeals were consolidated and submissions will be limited to 2 hours and 40 pages.
The above appeals are hereby consolidated and shall be heard together, and the lead file shall be E291 of 2021. All appellants shall file and serve their respective submissions and bundle of authorities within 7 days from the date hereof. Respondents shall file and serve their respective submissions and bundle of authorities within 14 days from the date of service of the appellant's submissions.
The hearing will commence on the 29th of June in an open court.
The appeal shall be heard on 29th and 30th of June 2021 and 1st and 2nd of July 2021 by a bench of 7 judges of the court.
Well, the President of the Appellate Court, Daniel Musinga, now warns all parties against prosecuting or defending the ongoing case in media or outside the court so as to let the court make a fair decision. Reporting for Channel 1 News from the Supreme Court of Kenya, I'm Sarafina.